It's Bruce here again. This time we're going to clean the threads out on the block on the 1 litre Suzuki Stockman, and just going to show you the procedure that I like to do. To clean these threads out, it's good to get it like a bottoming out tap, which is a bit more square on the end, which will get into the bottom corners better. And if you want to check to see whether your tap's the same thread as your head bolt, you just do that stunt. If you can't see any daylight behind there, you know you've got the right bottoming out tap. Now, there's a couple of reasons we do this. If the motor's been pulled apart and if the head's been reconditioned, they will pretty well always shave the cylinder head. So that means the head's going to be a bit thinner, and that means that the bolts are going to want to screw in further. And if there is rust or dirt or anything, could be possibly rust from sitting from water, from where the last gasket's leaked, rust down in the hole, and when you screw the bolt down, the bolt might want to go much further than where it was before because of the rust sitting underneath it. And the next thing you do, you tension the head down and you think you've got the right crush on the gasket, but you haven't, because a certain amount of friction build up because the bolt doesn't want to go past the rust because the bolt's only been down to a certain depth. So what we do, we get a bit of Treflex. It does a couple of things. It'll pick up any rust, say rust getting dropping off anywhere. It'll sort of pick the rust up and carry the rust out of the hole for you. Now these can be pretty difficult to start with the bottoming out tap, so you've got to be extremely careful starting off because there's hardly any taper on the tap. So we just go around and around like this and we just work our way down. And you've got to be very careful when you get near the bottom that the thing doesn't lock up when you snap the tap off, or it gets really, really hard. You've got to be very careful that the thing doesn't seize in there and then snap trying to get it out, because it's very hard steel and you're in big trouble. It's best to go backwards and forwards a bit. You can see we're getting a long way down there now, but this one has been done before, so this is a bit of a cheat's way of showing you what to do, really. We know it's going to go right down, but you can see the bolts on this motor are very deep. I can tell we're getting near the end, so we take our time now. And they're starting to get quite tight there now, so I reckon we'll call it quits at that. You can see, taking a bit of effort. We'll wind that back out. And the Treflex type grease, it'll actually catch any dirt or rust or anything that it's cut through. And with the bottoming out tap, the threads will be clean, pretty well clean to the bottom of the tap, whereas if you've got a normal tap, they've got a fair bit of taper on them. They'll be easy to start, but they won't clean right to the bottom on the bottom edges. So you can see as the tap comes back out, way out, you'll see if it's picked up any rust or anything, it'll be in those grooves, and the Treflex grease will catch it and bring it back out. And if you're really fussy, you can get a blow-off gun, just blow that out, then you know it's clean. You know when you bolt the head down that the bolt's not going to get stuck on the rust and cause you to have a leaking head gasket. Thanks for watching.